Hey guys, welcome back. And today we are gonna be looking at an Amtrak, but there's a catch. Look, right there. Here they go. Oh, there it goes. Oh wait, that's the Northstar again. What? Yeah. Yep, here comes the Northstar. That's a cool bell for crossing. I've never really heard that kind of bell before.
See, it went red when he got by it. That means he's in that block. In other words, another train will have to stop before he can go in behind him because they don't want him going real fast and run into the rear end.
That was a cool. Oh, there's a Metro Transit bus, and the Northstar just went by. That's kind of weird. Well, why is there? There's an orange signal down there.
That means there's probably a red signal at the next location, which is Northstar Interstate. It's called. By that signal, prepare to stop at the next signal. That's what that orange means. Now, this is not a controlled signal. This is automatic.
Okay, guys. In the video, and then on track, I see. Yep. Okay. Well, can we go on the other side?
No, it's too late.
Guys, here's the Amtrak. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna run over to this crossing here. Guys, this crossing's gonna soon activate once the Amtrak gets in the boundary part. And the Amtrak's on that track. Let's watch crossings activate. Oh, there you go. Yep. Here comes the Amtrak. Amtrak Silverstar. They had a silver star in that train. Okay guys, okay, is this moving? Okay guys, make sure to like and subscribe and goodbye. Guys, I didn't mean to end the video there. There's another train coming. I'm gonna come out. Yeah, I think that's a freight.
It's a freight. I don't know what it is, it's not.
And that would be weird if it was another Amtrak. But I don't think it would be another Amtrak. Oh yeah, I might be waiting for the Amtrak to go. Oh, green! It's green. Yep, that's it. That's the signal down there. It's green. Yep, that's freight.
The Amtrak is going past the next block.
Yeah, that's BNSF, I think. These buses have to wait. They're trying to go, I think, because this train's gonna go by. The crossing's gonna activate. Come on, activate crossing. I could still the train from me. What are these things malfunctioning? Go! Oh, there we go. Here comes this guy. Looks like it's an auto train. Oh, I see Union Pacific.
Must be empty on the racks.
Oh wait, no, that's not Union Pacific. Yep, this is auto rack. Triple train me. Yeah. Oh, you can see that. Oh, yeah, there's some oh, CSX. Oh, I think I see a DPU. A DPU. That's like a train in the middle of a train. No, I don't. Never mind. What? There's another headlight. What? Guys, there's another head. What? Quadruple train me. How? Guys, there's another train. Then these are gonna slow. Oh, I see a BNSF at the end. These crossings are gonna go back up. Yep, here's that. There's the crossings. There's the other train. These are gonna go back down soon. Well, I think that one's sped up. How is that's wait 1, 2 wait 1, 2, 3.
4 trains on the
Oh yeah, 4. This is the first time that I've had this. Oh wait, is that a Canadian Pacific? Can we go on the? Oh wait, no. Yeah, and these are gonna activate. There's a nice e-bell on that train. Or on this crossing. But I think that is Canadian Pacific. There we go. This crossing set to activate 4 times. In 1 single hour.
Holy smokes, it was lucky day today, wasn't it?
No. Well, is it? I think that might be Canadian Pacific.
I don't think it would be a Canadian Pacific.
Oh. Yep, that's BNSF. Never mind. Oh, there comes some weird cars again. What are these? Oh, those are oil. Oh, there's a refrigerator. Sorry guys, the video kinda ended because an alarm was going off. BNSF Railway. Oh, there's some oil. No, I think those are oil. And here comes that. There's the crossings.
Right now.
There's gonna be another train. Is it a red block or yellow on the left track here? You see- Is it yellow? Well, it's on it for a while. I'm guessing.
Wait.
Nothing else is in the block coming yet.
I think well,
Let's go down to
I go down to Pauline Peak.
maybe the Northstar. Well, another Northstar reverses. I'm gonna check the thing. But anyways, guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and goodbye.